Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets with a drop-down list. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to create dynamic, interactive charts that update automatically based on selected values, making your data visualization more flexible and professional. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once you've navigated to that URL, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheets are stored. This ensures you'll have access to all your files and data. Once you're logged in and viewing your workspace dashboard, you'll see all your available files and folders. Simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your pie chart with a drop-down list. This will open up your Google Sheets file in a new window, ready for editing. Now, let's say you have a sample dataset already set up with two columns, one labeled food and another labeled amount. The first thing we need to do is add a drop-down list. To do this, click on three cells where you want your drop-down to appear and highlight them. Right-click on these highlighted cells, and from the menu that appears, click on Dropdown. This initiates the process of creating your interactive selection tool. You'll notice that the Data Validation Rules panel appears on the right side of your screen. Click on the drop-down menu under Criteria, and from the options presented, select Dropdown from a range. This allows you to specify exactly which data should populate your drop-down list. Now, select the range of your food column, copy it, and paste it into the range field on the right side. Once that's done, click Done to confirm your settings. Next, click on another empty cell where you want your filtered data to appear. Type in equals filter, open parenthesis, then select the range that includes both your food and amount columns. Add a comma, then select only the food column range this time. Add an equal sign, then click on the cell that contains your drop-down list and close the formula with a closing parenthesis. This formula will dynamically filter your data based on whatever selection you make in the drop-down. Now, copy this formula and paste it into another cell below. You'll need to adjust the cell reference for the drop-down. For example, if your first dropdown was in cell C2, change the reference in your new formula to C3. Repeat this process as many times as needed to match the number of dropdown lists you want to create. This gives you multiple dynamic filters working simultaneously. At this point, go ahead and input some data by clicking on one of your dropdown lists and selecting a value from the options that appear. You'll see the filtered data appear instantly based on your selection. Now, highlight all the data that the filter function is showing, head up to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Chart from the dropdown menu. This opens up your charting options. The chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. Make sure the chart type is set to pie chart. If it's not, simply click on the chart type dropdown and select pie chart from the available options. This ensures your data is displayed in the circular segmented format that pie charts are known for. Here's where the magic happens. Try changing the value in your dropdown list by selecting a different option. Watch as your pie chart adjusts automatically to reflect the new data. This dynamic functionality makes it incredibly easy to present different data views without creating multiple separate charts. And there you have it, you've successfully created a dynamic pie chart in Google Sheets that responds to drop-down list selections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.